Hi guys, I'm just going to run you through a quick foam rolling drill. You don't need to do all of these every time that you foam roll. You can just choose to do your gremlin or your goat, the thing that you have an issue with, okay? So I'm going to be showing you just the positions to get into. Do remember that there are two ways that you can foam roll. One is slow and painful, so stopping in the bits that hurt, and that's more like a deep tissue massage, good for loosening up muscles. Or you can do one that's a little bit faster technique, and that tends to be good for immediately after a workout, or if you've just got a bit of delayed onset muscle soreness, just moving over quite quickly, okay? Two different types. So, I'm gonna get the foam roller, and I'm gonna start down near the feet. So, I'm gonna work on your calf muscle. So, just rolling back and forth. You can put the other leg on top if you like, just to get a bit more pressure going. But maybe it's too sore for that, in which case you'll just do one leg. Remember to work both the outside and the inside of the calf, so going through both areas there. Spending a bit of time on that, and then you can roll up to your hamstring, so going from your sit bone all the way up to your knee. And then going on the outside, so around your ITB, and also some of your vastus lateralis muscles, so part of your quad. Now you might find this a bit tender, so one way to take off some load is to put this foot on the ground and put some weight through your hands to take a bit of the load off. And then going all the way onto the front, but I'll show you on this leg. And just making sure that you're going from the knee all the way to the hip. And then moving on to your adductor muscle, so on the inside of your leg. I'm just placing it there and coming on up. Alright, so that's your legs done. Now we're going to do your hips. So coming in and just doing the glute muscle, lying so you're on your side a little bit, and just looking for those tight spots. You want to be rolling in between the bony prominence here on your hip and your actual hip bone up higher. Then you can work on the muscle of your lat, so a really big muscle that's all the way down the side here. So having one hand out and then just rolling on down and feeling right up underneath here. Do play around with the position, so roll yourself a bit further forwards or further backwards and just feeling where the tightest part is and where you're getting the most release. Once you're done with that, you can go and do some of the upper back mobility work. So coming on down and putting your hands behind your head, finding a spot as low as you can without your bum lifting off. So finding that point where you're quite low and doing about 5 to 10 reps. And then moving down just a little bit. And then continuing to work your way down. And you know you've gone too far if when you're trying to do it and it's just your head motion, okay? And that's it, you've gone too far then, you've gone far enough. So you've got to go work your way back up so you're actually getting that mobility in. All right, so in a nutshell, that's it. So we've done your legs, your hips, and also your thoracic, including a bit of your lat muscles. So spend a bit of time on that. Doing that every night, just for a few minutes, can be a really good way just to make yourself feel a bit more fresh in the morning. All right, good luck with it, and let us know how you go.